think they'll be thinking of the worldwide church, and that we are a worldwide church that embraces the whole world, all the continents, north, south, east and west. Because I think when you begin to think in terms of Africa or Europe or America, you're thinking politics rather than faith. And this is really a faith decision that's made in prayer and discernment. So that's what's going to be uppermost in the minds of the cardinals when they come to make their final selection.
Where Pope Francis has already begun that process. He was the first Pope from the global south. A Pope from Latin America, very much his theology influenced by the theology of the people that came from Latin America. And so we've already had some experience of what it's like to have a Pope from, he said, you had to go to the end of the world to find a Pope, he said. Maybe we'll be doing that again. Who knows? Whatever it will be, I just hope and pray that the people of God in the Catholic Church throughout the world will be united. We are one holy Catholic and Apostolic Church. Let's be united around our new shepherd, whoever that might be.